Yes, good evening, everyone. Sir, yesterday we started with CBV's CRUD operations, but in that first we started with FBV. After that we go with the CBV. How to create means how to insert the record, how to read the record, update, delete from the front end. Those operations are called as CRUD operations. These CRUD operations are possible by using two ways. One is CBV, second one FBV. First, yesterday started with FBV. By using function-based view, how to insert, update, delete the data. Models I created, make migrations, admin panel, populate.py. Up to here we did. Go to back, CD, Django, CD, FBV, py, manage.py, run server. Server started. ఏది కాబట్టి present go to admin panel list, employees table, some 51 objects are there. First of all, I want to read this data display to the HTML file. How to read the data from this and display to the HTML file already we know. Views is the responsible to read the data and display to the file. Once the HTML page inside my requirement is I want to display a number, name, sal, address. In the form of table, I have to display. That is, you know how to display all the records. ఇప్పుడు my requirement, ఇక్కడే within this page, bottom లో I have to create one link, new, insert, new employee. One button is required. If I want to click this, I want to display one form with the number, name, salary, address, submit. The data I want to store to the backend database. And ఇది ఒక రికార్డ్ అనుకోండి. Here one record is there. ఇక్కడ I want to provide two buttons side. One is for update. Second one for delete. ఇది my concept ఇప్పుడు. అంటే I don't want go to the backend admin panel. Front end only if I want to click on insert employee, a form will be displayed with these 4 columns. Once I enter all the details, click on submit button. I want to store this data to the database permanently. For example, one record I don't want to click on delete, but deleted. Every record key I can provide that update, delete, update, delete. Delete if we click delete from the database. If you want update, update. So I want to do insert, update, delete. Reading, just now we have to read the data display. That is all 4 operations. Create, update, retrieve, delete. First of all, how to read the data display to the HTML file, you know. Where is Atom? Where is the Atom? views.py. So def retrieval view, first argument request. How to read the data? Model name dot objects dot what is the function? All. Sir, employee అనేది model name. You know where it is available from test app dot models import. What is the class name? Employee. All అనేది one function. Employees model. What is objects? Employee model name all function. What is objects? Modular. అప్పుడు ఏమవుద్ది? ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ విత్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఎనీ మాడ్యూల్ ఈస్ దేర్? లేదు కదా. క్లాస్లో మాడ్యూల్స్ ఉండదు, మాడ్యూల్స్లో క్లాసులు ఉంటాయి. సో I want all the employees make it as EMP underscore list, sir. That I will tell that story. There is some story will be there about this one. I will tell in ORM concept, Django ORM. Okay. Render first request test app index.html page, comma, create dictionary. Key is EMP list, value also EMP list. This is the views which is used to retrieve data from the database, display to the file. Fields. No, it is not a field, so Syed. I will tell what is that objects. So now what is required? So now HTML. Instead of that, first I have to take one base dot HTML file. అయితే now inheritance purpose, right click, new folder, templates, right click, again folder, tab, right click, new file, base.html. After that, right click, take one more file, index.html. Base I have to write inheritance code inherited to this one. So base, take HTML, get bootstrap.com. No. Now, within the body, I have to provide div tag, class, container, ln equal to center. Inside child template, curling brace, block, body underscore block, curling brace, end block. Even ఇక్కడ template dir template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. This template dir you can give to the ఇంతనా ఇంతలే నో ఇది బేస్ అయ్యో ఇప్పుడు I have to take index.html file. Next index. Come to here index. In this index, HTML, total code not required, remove. You have to give an curly brace, percentage, extends test app slash base dot HTML. What is your block? Body block. Come to here. Instead, I have to write h1 tag. Here, welcome to employee list. Okay. I'll first take one URL for this. Blank views dot retry view from test app import server is started. Come to the browser. Welcome to employee list. I want to display all the employees. Those things you know. Index. Take one table. Inside take the border 3 pixels. T head, table head. First one. Employee number. 4 columns are there. 2, 3, 4. Names are salary, address. Now, I want display each and every employee. Percentage. For each employee in what is the variable emp underscore list. Table row. First table data. Curly brace. Emp dot e number. E name. E sal. E address. సరిపోయిందా చూద్దాం అలా ఏదో మర్చిపోయాం మొత్తానికి ఓహో పర్ బ్లాక్ నాట్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఎండ్ బ్లాక్ నాట్ క్లోజ్డ్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎండ్ ఫర్ ఎండ్ బ్లాక్ యా డీటెయిల్స్ all the employee details are available there. Next, here style. Inside I want to go to the background red, color yellow. Now color wala yellow asal bala more okay. So now table numbers are available there. My requirement is a last lo I want to provided one button. What it is? Insert employee. ఇక్కడ కావాలి okay. So after table ఇక్కడ provide anchor tag. Insert new employee. Come to here, refresh. కనపడను కూడా కనపడతలే. We have to give that one as a class btn. Some more okay, but కొంచెం ఇదిగోండి insert new employee. It is pointing to the hash. Fine. For this Okay, every record key here, one column you can add. The column name is convert now. Okay. The column name is actions. I want to, for every record key, you can provide two options. One is update and second one is delete. For every record key కావాలి ఇలాగా. First record key, second key, third key. Because you want to update this record, click this, update it. No, sir, I want to delete. Click the delete. The data will be gone from the database. అలా every record కి I want to provide update and delete. How to provide? Come to here. Employee address. One table head, that is I can provide actions. I'm going to add in the add. But two, just like anchor text I am provided there, come to here. After this, table data, I can provide update. When update is the data added kada, ala kaadu. I want to do them functionalities but I have to add anchor tag, update. వచ్చిందా? Update. Delete కూడా I want to add that one. Delete యాడ్ చేయాలంటే అప్పుడు నో, అలా కాదు. యాక్షన్స్ కింద రెండు రావాలి. ఇదేమైంది? సపరేట్గా వెళ్ళిపోయింది. అవును, తీసేస్తే ఇప్పుడు రెండు సెట్ అయిద్దిలే. ఏ ఏ ఏ ఏ అదేంటి స్పేస్కి యాంపర్సైండ్ ఎన్బి ఎస్పి సెమీకోలనా లేకపోతే అవదా? జరిగిందిగా. సెమీకోలన్ ఎందుకు? మరి ఇది HTML ఫైలే కదా. అది HTML అంట. సో ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ 3 spaces, గో విత్. ఓకే, దీన్ని యాక్షన్స్ ఎంటర్ చేయాలంటే ఒక్కటైద్దంటే ఇది. సర్లే అన్నీ మీరు చేసుకోండి కానీ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ ఇప్పుడు చేయను. ఓకే, సింప్లీ చేస్తా ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే సార్, నౌ ఎంప్లాయీ నెంబర్ నేమ్ ప్రొవైడెడ్. ఇఫ్ అప్డేట్ డిలీట్, అప్డేట్ అయితే ప్రజెంట్ అయితే హ్యాష్ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాయింటింగ్ దట్ ఐ విల్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్. అప్డేటా డిలీటా ఆర్ఎల్స్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఇన్సర్ట్. ఇది మెయిన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద పేజ్. సో ఇది ఫైల్ ఇండెక్స్. In the parent template, I mentioned body block. Here, child template, I'm implementing the code. Already in the template inheritance, I explained, Syed, what is body block, parent child template inheritance concept. You can check it. Because in the base.html, I mentioned one block. This block can be implemented by child class. Already I'm extending base.html. Whatever code is there, that is applicable for all the child templates. That is the meaning of that one. So that is how to display the data here. Okay. Here 51 objects are available there. First I have to implement the functionality. This one. This one. Insert new employee. How to insert the employee details? So my requirement is once I click on that button, this button, I want to display one form. In that form, number, name, salary, address. So how to display form? Form is required. So take one forms.py file. I want to store to the backend database kabatti compulsory you have to take model form, not the normal form. So under test app, new file, forms.py from Django import forms. Now class, my class name is employee form. Inside module name dot model form. What is the class? Meta. Inside what is the model name? What is your model class name? Employee. How many fields? Unde nalugu. All. Where employee? From test dot models import. What is the ఇదే forms class. This form I want to send it to HTML file. This form class I have to create object, send it to HTML file. It will take care by views. So go to the views. Def this view, insert view. Request. Now create object. What is the class name? Employee form. Object dot created. Reference variable form. Send this one. Return render request test app slash insert dot html. Create one dictionary. Key is the form, value is the form, but this employee form is available from testapp dot forms import employee form. Done. So ikkada it will be displayed. So create one HTML file. In that you can send this, display this form. So the HTML file is insert.html. Right click, new file, insert. Actually, they would write total HTML code instead of that. That's why I'm taking base page. Base page. Insert lo, copy paste. Remove all these nonsense. Last not required. Okay. Extend insert body block, end block. Here employee insert form. Insert form. Save this. దీనికి ఒక define one URL. Insert slash insert view. The insert తీసుకెళ్ళి give to the index లో wherever insert is there, ఇక్కడ you have to give slash insert. This is the story. Now refresh the app. Place the cursor. It is pointing to insert URL. Okay. Heading came. Form is required. Insert. Here I want to display form. Remove all these. Method post. Curling brace. Form. Come here. Refresh. I want to line by line. No problem. Dot as underscore p. Now refresh. Came. I want to ఒక బటన్ కావాలి. CSRF token. Percentage CSRF underscore token. Now I have take one input to type. The type of this submit. The value is insert record. Now okay na? Done. Insert record. అదేంటి అలా ఉంది బాల. సింగిల్ కోడ్ తీసుకోద్ది ఇది. SU success. Large button. Refresh. Now came. Now 51 objects are there. I want to come here. Employee number 101. It ఎంత ఉంది? Okay, now 101. Employee name Sunny. Employee salary 12,000. Employee address Mumbai. If I insert record, data inserted, not inserted. Insert. Go to here. How many objects are there? 51. Why? Refresh. Still how many are there? 51 only. Not inserted. The reason for that, have you written any code here? It will display always which form? Empty form only. So first to take this one. Insert file. దీనికి one URL. index.html. So that is how to display the form. After that, how to insert the data. We have to write the code in the views.py. Then view is responsible to insert the record to the backend database. So now view is the responsible to insert the record because present this view is displaying only empty form. This form I want to override with the end user provided data. When it will be overridden, if request dot method equal to what is the method? Post method. That empty form can be overridden with class name. Sorry, employee form request dot post. Once everything fine, if form dot is underscore valid, minimum validations. ఇది మామూలు టెక్స్ట్ డేటా కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్ ఫామ్ డాట్ సేవ్. సార్ వన్స్ డేటా ఈజ్ సేవ్డ్, it will be displayed same page. Now observe carefully. Come to here down, insert 101. I can provided Sunny, salary, and Mumbai. Once clicking on this, you have to observe record inserted, but data should be displayed. If I'm clicking on multiple times record inserted. Where is the proof? 51. Refresh, record inserted. 101, Sunny, this one. But instead of this, I want to go to the starting page, list page. What to do? URL. Starting page means I want to go with here, comma. There is one function will be there. What is the function? Redirect. Copy this. Once data inserted, come outside the if statement, redirect. Where you can redirect? Home page. Home page means slash. Now check it this time. Here, come to here. 102. Bunny, 15,000. Hyderabad. Insert record. Ella. రికార్డ్ అయితే ఇన్సర్ట్ అయింది. సేవ్ చేయలేదు దీన్ని, చేసాం కదా. సారీ, రిటర్న్ స్టేట్మెంట్ మిస్సింగ్. రిటర్న్ రీడైరెక్ట్. Now come to here, 103, record name Chinni, salary 18,000, address Vijayawada. Insert. ఇదిగోండి, Sunny, Bunny, Chinni. Records inserted there. If you want to click on this, insert. Next కావాల్సింది update, delete buttons. This is the way of how to insert the record. అది inserting the record. So once I clicking on insert, data will be inserted. So insertion and create, retrieval done. The mail to update and delete. I'm creating record. I'm retrieving. Delete I will tell now. Update later on we will see how to perform delete operation. Sir, delete means, observe carefully. Ikkada I am performing the clicking on this delete button. Once I am deleting this, once I want to delete this record, every employee have IDs. IDs display cheleda. Admin low. Every employee have some IDs, sir. Come here, refresh. These are all the IDs, okay? Once I am clicking on this delete button, and which employee you want to delete? Suppose I want to delete Chinni. What is the Chinni ID? 54. This 54 ID I want to pass. And as how to get a particular record? Employee.objects.all and all records. A particular record means get command is there. So go to the views. Def delete underscore view request. I am passing one ID. Whatever ID I am passing, how I am passing ID, manual I am not passing. Just I am clicking on front and this delete button. Then this Chinni corresponding ID some 54 will be passing into this one. How to give a pattern I will tell. How to get a particular record? Model name dot objects dot. What is the command? Get of ID equal to whatever ID we are passing that ID. Read a particular employee. Delete that employee. Employee dot delete. It's gone. Return, redirect. Go to the main page. It is not delete. But at the time of mention URL, compulsory passing one ID. How to define URL pattern means come to here. Compulsory delete method required delete function is expecting one argument. What is that argument? ID. Into ID I am passing. This is URL pattern. This URL pattern actually where you are clicking on this one, not by passing this in index low, index page idigondi. Once I am clicking on button, what is the button now? Delete button. Ikkad nunchi I have to pass that ID. How to pass that ID? The URL pattern is, what is the pattern? Delete slash, it is accepting employee, current employee dot ID. So whatever existing employee ID pass into this delete URL pattern. Once the delete, insert kaadu kada, delete, sorry. Now, whenever calling this function, this delete view passing this current ID, automatically it will be gone. Now, come to here, refresh. Total ఎన్ని objects 54 ఉన్నాయి. First, deleted. Just click the button, it will delete it because corresponding ID will be goes to there and delete function executed, gone. Only 3. Is it really deleted? Go to there, check the backend. Only 3 are there. So whenever I'm clicking on this button, corresponding ID will be passing to delete URL. From there, ఇది కూడా delete and ఇది కూడా ఎందుకు waste. Gone. 0 employees. Once I'm given. If you want employees, simple. What to do? Stop the server. Py. What is the file name? Populate.py. ఇది ఉంది కదా చేతిలో, చాలు. Within fraction of seconds you will get the records. Run the server. మళ్ళీ come to here, refresh. మళ్ళీ వచ్చినాయి. మళ్ళీ delete. ఆడుకోవచ్చు. ఇన్సర్ట్ డిలీట్ ప్రశాంతంగా. తర్వాత కావాల్సింది update function. Now come here, refresh. Total objects gone 12 are there. అది delete functionality. నెక్స్ట్ అప్డేట్కి పెద్ద స్టోరీ ఉంది, దానికి మాత్రం delete ఆపరేషన్. views.py index index you have to update like this. After that, URL pattern you can mention like this. That is the delete operation. If you want to update, one form is required. One form all are required. Because of if you want to update means whatever fields you can require with that form is required. I want to display one form. In that you can change the values. Click on update, then store to backend. సర్లేండి దట్ అప్డేట్కి ఫామ్ అవన్నీ కావాలి, కానీ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ వీ విల్ సీ దట్ అప్డేట్ ఆపరేషన్. Tomorrow enjoy. Monday we will continue.